Hey, Peter from Equappment. Okay, now we are going to look at job site photos. Going into the details of the job, we scroll down to job photos, tap on it, and here's where you'll save any photos you want, maybe when you pre-walk the job, during the job, afterwards to show that everything was cleaned up properly. This is where you would store those photos. Now you can tap on the plus to create a new folder to help you organize the photos, or you can take a picture with the device right at that time, or choose a picture to upload. So we're just going to take a picture to upload, tap on that, takes you in your photo. Oh, maybe we don't need all those, but we'll just grab the job site photo here and add it. Okay, at this point we can add a caption onto this photo. So hit target depth in pit, and then save that. It'll get stored there. Now you'll notice also there's a folder here. Now that folder was created from the picture taken under the bore log entry. So all your bore log entry photos are also saved in the job photos and organized in their own folders by that bore name. And then going back, and that is it for the job photos.